Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you how to use a custom hook with a reusable onChange function example in React.js. Yeah, let's start. Here I already created a React project and also running this project. Here I'm going to use this main form and this custom hook. Here I'm going to create a reusable onChange function, right? And yeah, I'm going to create a input here. I'm going to close this input and placeholder. This is first name. To duplicate this for one more time, and this is last name. Okay, and save this. Now we get a two input field here. I'm going to create a custom hook for this. Here first I'm going to create a state for get a value from input. So set value to, okay, set value, and here I'm going to create a use state and initial values. I will pass a initial value from the main form here to this. Okay, so I'm going to add a data here, and here I'm passing that same data. And after that I'm going to create a onChange function, and I'm going to get an event here and handle change. Here I'm going to set value of e dot target dot value, and I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to return an object. Inside an object we will get a value, and I'm going to create an onChange here, onChange, and here I'm going to pass, I'm going to set this handle change here. Okay, now our custom hook is ready. I'm going to set this custom hook, okay, in the input field here. Okay, so here I'm going to create a const here, first name is this custom hook, initialize that, and here initial value is empty. I'm going to duplicate this for one more time, and this is last name. I'm going to copy this f name here, and here I'm going to create an object, and I'm going to spread the value of f name, and same for last name. Okay, same, and l name. Now everything is ready. I'm going to copy this one and console here, and this is f name, and after that l name, yeah, or a value here, data val, and copy this and save this file. I'm going to browser and I'm going to inspect this one, and here I'm going to console. I get a error. Yeah, now everything is fine. Here initial value of this input field is empty string. Here we get a empty value, and if I change this to 1 and this is 2 means, and save this one, and here initial value of, to refresh the screen again, initial value of input value is here 1 and here it's 2, right? And yeah, here in my case I don't want to pass anything. Initially I'm set it as empty string. Now everything is fine. Now if I come to type something, data here base, here value is printing, right? Here data is printed and base is also printed in this. And if you want to print the exact value, we get a value in the value, right? So here dot value, and here too. Save this and refresh the screen again, and here data, here data is printed, right? And this is base, here base is also printed, and you can add anything like this. You will get a input value like this. You can use a custom hook like this. Yeah, this is what I tried to tell in this video. I think this video will help you. Bye bye.